What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Code is Zr2. Today I am going to be testing out this product from Salty Captain. The truck has been filthy. I haven't washed it since October of last year. Super excited to try out these products. This is their four-wheel drive essential pack, I believe. I'll get a closer show everything, but you get the bucket, you get a drying mitt, microfiber washing cloths, you get your soft scrubby for the wheels and whatever else you'd like to use it for. You get the hard brush for tires and all that good stuff, as well as your four-wheel drive shampoo or car wash stuff, as well as an interior cleaner, glass cleaner, grease attack, and they also give you this cool looking little foam gun that can attach to a garden hose basically. The two attachments on there, this one's for spraying down the truck, the other one is for sudsing it up. And then just click this forward for water, click it forward one more time, and you get the suds mode basically. So I'll be trying this out as well. So yeah, I'm basically going to be talking about this product a little bit from Salty Captain, as well as just kind of showing you how I clean my truck to prevent any roof dents that the Colorado and Canyon is well known for. We take it to the car wash. So the first step will be, obviously, I'm going to rinse down the truck, and then I will try out this four-wheel drive RV wash right here and see how good this gets to grime off and stuff with the foam gun. So that's my first step. So obviously, first step, I'm gonna fill up my bucket with some water and some soap. I do give you this little screen here as well, which is pretty nice to kind of pick up any debris and anything else the microfiber cloth might pick up. So yeah. Cool thing about this little Captain gun is it comes with two attachments. This one is for sudsing the car up, and this one is more like a pressure washer basically. So if you don't have a pressure washer available, this is a good option for you guys. They also sell one of these for use with a pressure washer. You get best of both worlds if you check them out. Link will be below in the description as well for all of this stuff. Now we got the truck kind of rinsed off on this one side. I'm gonna take that four-wheel drive RV wash, fill up my little canister. They say put up to 30 mil line. I might do a little more. Put up the 50 mil line and see what it does. So yeah, let's see how sudsy this actually gets. I said that does a pretty good job of soaking up the entire vehicle. I'll let that kind of drip down a little bit, and I'll go on with the hand wash and start hand washing everything by sections. So kind of like got a chance to kind of soak all the way down. So I'm just gonna get my microfiber washing cloth, soak that, and just work from linear directions back and forth. All the way down the panel basically. And I always like to wash my truck in sections, so I'll do this like front fender section here, then I'll spray it down, and then I'll do the door, spray it down, do the back door, spray it down, do the side of the bit, spray it down, and so on and so on. So that's kind of what I'm going to do right now. Just kind of get the truck all rinsed off, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once I'm done washing it. So just got done doing this, the driver's side door, and that's the passenger or back door. I say it's doing a pretty damn good job right now. They're real pleased with how easy this stuff's coming off of me. And this is like months of grime in Oregon winter weather, so it's looking pretty good so far. Mind you, it's like 35 degrees outside right now, but the truck was really dirty and I got sick of looking at it. It's being super filthy. I'm not gonna do my usual detail that I like to do on it, but at least get most of the grime off and I'll be happy. But so far I'm thoroughly impressed by this Salty Captain's 4-wheel drive and RV wash. It's definitely getting this grime off super easy. I'm very particular with the way I do my stuff. I always go through each section at least twice, sometimes 3 times. But so far I'm enjoying it. I like it. And then the wand's cool. Just for those that don't have a pressure washer, this works pretty dang well. So I'm gonna keep cleaning the truck, get the whole truck itself clean, and then we'll jump down to the wheels. I'll show you guys the greaser cleaner that they have. I'm excited to try that. I'm gonna use that in the wheels as well as the wheel wells with the hard brush. So I'll show you guys how that looks before and after, what I'm doing for that next. So we're at the wheel now. I'm gonna use this grease attack basically. They said they could be used for a lot of stuff like barbecues, bathrooms, truck, like even the interior of your truck too, to try to clean up some of those raw metal killing ability. But yeah, I'm gonna use it on the fenders and the multimatic shocks and some of the stuff in here. And basically just spray it on, kind of let it sit there for a little bit, and then I'm just gonna spray it down and see what it looks like when it's done. So that'd help if I turned it on. Gotta get it on the frame, get on the shocks, you know, it's trying to make it look good. Might even use it on the tires just to see what it'll do. Probably throw some on the wheels because the wheels are full of all the road debris, brake dust, anything else you can think of. And why not? I'm gonna let this sit here. I'm gonna do the other ones, and by the time I get back here, I can rinse this down and then start cleaning it properly. So now that the grease had a minute to sit, I'm gonna take my hard brush that they supply, they give you in this kit, and just kind of scrub the fenders, the fender well, and the shock, and some of the frame, and try to just kind of make it that much cleaner, because you can see a lot of this because the truck lifted so high. So I'm just gonna use the same bucket I had before, a little soap and water, and kind of just scrubbing it. Go to the inside of the fender. Just try to get some more of this shit out of there. Just try to get some more of the grime off if I can, you know. I just want to get everything that you typically can see when you're standing next to the truck looking at it. Just to try to make it look that much prettier when I'm done with it. So with this, I'm also gonna hit the tires since we're right now. And just try to get any of that grit and grime off from the winter we've had so far. They give you a soft brush too, you could use on the wheels, but these wheels are kind of tight corners. I don't think it would be really benefit me very much. I'm just going to use my washi mitt they give you. And just start scrubbing the wheel down. I do like these method race wheels quite a bit too. I didn't know if the blue would look good on the truck, but it turned out it looked really good on the truck. So. So yeah, I'm gonna go around, So I'm gonna go around, do the rest of the fender rails, and then I'll spray them off one by one. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. I do like this degreaser quite a bit. It's cool being able to actually see it like work. So this is degreaser plus, you know, just taking my scrub brush and, you know, you can see all that goo coming off of it, and you can see the same thing when I scrub the wheels down and inside the truck to the fender well too. So I do like this degreaser quite a bit. But yeah, if you want to see, so I'm gonna scrub the wheel down. Not as noticeable. The tires definitely a lot of stuff. Anyway, I got 2 more wheels to do, and I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. This is a couple days later. The truck's been nice and clean. It just got too cold when I was out there. I done washing the truck, couldn't feel my hands anymore. So now I'm gonna show you guys how their interior cleaner works on the inside of the truck. I figured this would be a good spot to show you guys. So basically, I just got my microfiber towel, spray down the door panel, and then I'm just gonna wipe it clean. It does leave a little white kind of streak residue when you're done with it. I do like that a lot. It's safe on, you know, whole inside of the car. I've already used it on the informant system, so it's safe to use on that. Safe to use on this, you know, fake little leather kind of stuff that's in the truck. Obviously plastic, metal, and everything else. But yeah, it looks good. It comes off, it goes on easy, comes off easy. Definitely leaves kind of a black kind of shine to it, but it's not overly shiny, which I do like quite a bit. I don't like when stuff's like super glossy black. But it definitely makes it clean, makes it look good. Also smells pretty good too. It's always nice when products smell good, especially when you use them in close proximity. But yeah, that's their interior cleaner. It works on everything. Let's show you guys the window cleaner stuff now. So this is their glass cleaner. It's supposed to be streak free. I've already used it on the fronts, and I can confirm that it's streak free. I kind of try to show you here. The back window I didn't do yet, but it works pretty good. You can also use this inside the house on your windows and everything else. And I also use it on the mirrors already, but I'll show you guys some of that too. But I'll show you how it's streak free and how easy it goes on and off. So I'll just kind of spray it on the window. I like to take my towel and I'll fold it. That way I can buff it in with one side. And then I'll flip it over to the dry side, kind of just buff it out. Then once that dries, you can see here, it just started in the rain. See here, there's no streaks on it. There's no residue of any kind, like you get with Windex or something else if you typically clean with it. So yeah, this glass cleaner is great. Definitely recommend you check that out. So as you guys can see, the truck looks great. I've gotten compliments all week about how clean it looks, and they want me to do their cars, but I'm not washing anyone else's car but my own. So definitely recommend Salty Captain for your car wash needs. Truck turned out great. I'm super happy. If I had to pick 3 products that I really like, their 4-wheel drive wash is definitely amazing. My second would be the grease attack for the wheels and the tires. This product just made everything, made the wheels super shiny, made everything just pop, cleaned up the tires. And then the third would probably be the glass cleaner, because I always had issues in the past trying to find a good glass cleaner that wouldn't leave a residue or streaks or whatever. and this stuff works pretty dang good. So I definitely recommend those 3 products. Like I said before, this was their 4-wheel drive essential pack, and I'll leave a link below where you can find that on their website as well as Amazon. But yeah, definitely check it out. But yeah, I'm super happy with the way the truck turned out, and Salty Captain's car wash stuff I will definitely be using again. But that's it for this video. If you guys are new, make sure you like and subscribe. Helps me out a ton. But yeah, other than that, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.